What's the meaning of buttercream? Buttercream. Buttercream.
Buttercream. Buttercream. Buttercream is a type of icing or frosting used in baking, made by combining butter with powdered sugar and flavorings such as vanilla or cocoa. The result is a creamy, smooth, and sweet mixture that is commonly used to decorate cakes, cupcakes, and pastries. It can be flavored and colored in a variety of ways to create different decorative effects, from simple swirls to intricate designs. Buttercream is a popular choice among bakers and dessert enthusiasts for its versatility and delicious taste, making it an essential component in many sweet treats.